So this drone decided to go and break itself, like all drones do. So I'm going to replace it with wings. These wings are from like my first drone that actually worked. It's a Sky Viper. That's all I know about it. And it was green and black. So we're going to find a screwdriver. Just so you know, this is not a how-to tutorial. This is just a vlog of me. I'm doing a drone. I found a good place for this camera phone or whatever, so that you can see me fail to do a drone. Do it like this because I like style. I probably should just like turn it on and then just let the wings do it. In fact, I'm gonna try that just for the sake of YouTube. Is it even gonna turn on anymore? Yeah, good. I was gonna say, it's just a broken blade, buddy. Oh, it's going left. And I just pulled it right out just like that. Now, where's the screw? Screw's still in there. And I pull, oh! You asshole. I just lost my replacement ring. So I'm going to put the screw right here where you're going to watch it. It's going to be your responsibility. Now, where's the screwdriver? By the drone I unboxed in the last video. Here's the blade protectors. Here's some blade protectors. I unscrewed all the blade protectors because the blade protectors, they break. Like they got all bendy and they just cling onto the drone. This one. Or should we go with this one? Or this one? I'll go for black one. Okay, now where'd that screw go? You guys were supposed to be watching that. Better be this one. This better be not be just a random screw. I just measured this. This is about the same size. Looks like the same size. Here's a screwdriver. Now if this goes wrong because it's the wrong screw, it's all your fault. Now, unlike these wings, this ring doesn't have like a hole in it. This ring has like a hole. I can fit the screwdriver right in. This ring is more open. Try and do it a little bit tighter. Alright, how about a test flight? I'm pretty sure this is the right screw. I'm not entirely sure, but I think we're gonna need a longer screw than this one. Because you see, all these ones, they have like, as I said, they have a hole like right in the middle where the screws go. This doesn't have a hole, let alone right in the middle. This drone didn't come with replacement rings, which would have been handy. I unscrewed the blade protectors, which I would say was stupid, but this drone wouldn't fly if the blade protectors was there. I swear, the blade protectors was that bad. Could do is have them try and put these together, but like surprise, surprise, it says warning: do not fly with broken or damaged parts. Okay, so that's out of the question. It should have came with parts. It's alright.